Hi everyone, and we're going to talk about Ulysses S. Grant today. All right, Ulysses S. Grant. All right, okay. So I know you talk about this. I know Civil War. So who knows? Okay, here's Ulysses S. Grant. Here he is. All right, all right. I'm gonna read a couple things right now. Okay. All right. All right. Ulysses S. Grant is the 18th President of the United States. Born April 27, 1822 in Point Pleasant, Ohio. Died on July 23, 1885 in Wilton, New York. Born in Tehran, Ulysses Grant. President to March 4, 1869 to March 4, 1877. Okay. Party's Republican Party. And buried on August 6, 1885 in Joe Grant National Memorial, New York. Alright? New York City, New York. Alright? Alright. Perfect. Let's go say hi to my 3-year-olds and dad and mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi, Leah.
Hi.
He's naked. Hi, Lana.
Hi.
Yeah, this is my name. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
He's cooking tacos. What's Mel? Alright. So, well, I'm in the garage and we're going to talk about, we're going to, do the electrical outlet review, alright? I'll be right back. Alright, here's the electrical outlet review, alright? Here it is. There's two outlets, alright? There's an electrical outlet review. See it? Yeah. So, you ain't gonna touch it with your wet hands. No, it will shock you bad. Okay? Alright. Alright, listen. Have a look and listen. Listen to this. I love talking about USS Grant. I love the electrical outlet review, alright? There are two outlets this time. One or two, alright? Let me show you the picture again, alright? Let's show you the picture again, alright? Alright. 1 second, there. There's USS Grant again, alright? USS Grant. Alright? Then he makes USS Grant, or General Grant in the Civil War. So, that's it for today. Give me a thumbs up in the comments down below. Alright? Subscribe to Tour Angles, Angle Boss, Angle Places. Bye everyone. See you all soon. Bye. Time to go.